Welcome, dear one. This is your moment to pause, breathe, and reconnect with the calm within you. Let's begin. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in. Feel the cool air fill your lungs, expanding your chest, bringing in fresh energy. Now, slowly exhale, letting go of all tension. Once more, breathe in deeply. Feel that calm, that peace entering your body. And as you exhale, release anything weighing on your mind. Now, gently bring your attention to the space around your heart. Imagine a warm, soft light there, radiating outwards, filling your chest with love, compassion, and calm. With every breath, feel this light growing, spreading through your arms, your legs, all the way to your fingertips and toes. You are safe. You are whole. You are exactly where you need to be. In this space, nothing needs to be done. Just allow yourself to be. Feel your breath, steady and peaceful, guiding you into a deeper sense of well-being. Now, softly bring to mind something you're grateful for. Let that feeling of gratitude grow in your heart. As it grows, let it fill your entire being, lifting your spirit, nurturing your soul. You are connected to all that is good. Trust in this moment of stillness, and know that well-being flows through you, now and always. Take one more deep breath in, and slowly, as you exhale, open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace and well-being with you.